I have done a couple of training courses with Bhatia sir, and he is like a genius. First of all, thank you to Bhatia sir. I am working almost for 5 years in the stock market, but initial 2 3 years I never understand how the market really works, how we can get a profit, consistent profit. Yes, profit. Everybody gets the profit, but we cannot get it consistent. And due to our discipline, due to we don't have any knowledge on how we can trade on Nifty, Bank Nifty, or other shares, he shows how the market behaves and how we can trade. And this is the first time I really get interested on how we can make a profit, consistent profit, and this is the huge profit we can make it. And after initially I have done the positional positional trading, and that was really awesome. And after I get confident on that, I go for the intraday trading and option trading, and as well as pair trading as well. So he showed me how we can get a profit, how we can utilize the different kind of tools, how can use the options, everything. So thank you sir. And he is very much friendly person. He always help us uh, to, if we are doing any mistakes or if we have any doubt, we can get a clarification immediately.